Look at this, guys. Witness the ultimate ice walker. Did you know polar bears are actually marine mammals? Their massive paws act like snowshoes, covered in tiny bumps to grip the slippery ice. They rely on this frozen maze to hunt seals. Look how effortlessly it jumps across these bright blue meltwater pools.